guys, how you all doing? Assalamu alaikum. Innenda special naryo. Arhan, the special cake illa. It's Arhan's birthday. Happy birthday, Aruchi. Para, it's my birthday.
It's cake. It's special.
Yeah, special. Okay. Guys, ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് നേരത്തെ വ്ളോഗ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല. We had to rush. I had to buy few things for Arhan's decoration and all, so I had to rush, and only Arhan with me, only we both went, so it was hard for me. So we have returned back. I have bought few things for him, and adine korchu njan korchu kayinittu parayam. And first of all, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below, guys. And last video, which was husband's birthday video, many of you, thanks a lot for your lovely wishes, and really means a lot. I have got many good comments and I have got many reviews on it, and really means a lot that you guys are watching. That's why you are commenting, right? So thank you guys for watching and commenting. And that video, few of you commented me. I got many DMs, not many, few DMs on Instagram, and even a few of my who I know have messaged me like it was kind of showing off. If you have felt that, I'm really sorry, and that was not my, I don't want to bring that impact on you guys. It was just my creativity. I was just sharing my creativity. As I've said, all the things I bought was necessity items. That's my son. So I'm sorry if I brought that kind of impact on you guys. That wasn't my intention to, do something like showing off or something. Everything I did, let it be my father, mother, brother, sister, anyone's birthday, I try to make it special for them, and that's my intention. And what I do is all from scratch. It's not like I'm hiring someone for something, or it's nothing like that. And last time, the gifts I bought for him, those were, as I told in that video itself, I decluttered his wardrobe and I had to buy some clothes, and all those are, necessary items, and it was nothing like something big or something. So this time it's Arhan's birthday, and same thing, I want to do something very special for him. So even last year, it was this time was a lockdown for Arhan's birthday, so I had to do something. I'll put a picture here what I did and everything I am doing. I'll show you guys what I bought. I bought this candle, I bought crepe paper, and this time I bought something different. I brought this oh my god, I can't take it off. Okay, I bought this candle, and I brought a banner. I bought balloons, which is red and yellow. That's my theme, red and yellow. Red and yellow. And these are car plates. And this is number 3, because he's turned 3, and he's 3 now. This is the thing I brought newly, because normally I used to buy everything like separate. So he was a good friend of mine who works there, so he told me to buy this. No need of all those jhanjat. So I bought it. Let us see what happens and how it is. So hope this will go good. And what else I wanted to say? Like, share, subscribe, as I always say, because if you subscribe and if you comment, I will come to know that you are watching, and I will get motivated to make more videos. So that's how it goes, right? And don't forget to comment down below, guys, how you feel about my videos, how you feel about my decoration, because it's all about, I should know that you guys are watching my videos. Like Jino's birthday video, you guys watch, so you have reviewed and you gave me feedbacks. I always welcome feedbacks, and that's how you grow, right? Especially on YouTube, things are very new to me. I don't know how to edit. I didn't even know how to edit properly. So I've watched many videos and I've learned from those, and alhamdulillah, it's going good now. And I take 2 to 3 days editing, and even the same thing applies for the decoration and stuff. I watch videos, I go on Pinterest, I check, then I keep a set I set my mind, I need this, I want to do this, and I do it. Almost the same, not the same, because people are perfect, guys. Not like me. When I come in front of camera, I don't know what to say. Anyways, let's get started. Oh wow. It comes with a pump. See, you don't even need to buy anything else. There are double-side stickers, balloons, and balloons, and happy birthday. That's really nice. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ അടിപൊളിയായിരിക്കും. എല്ലാവരും സ്കിപ്പ് ചെയ്യാണ്ട് കാണണേ. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് 3 o'clock. നമുക്ക് വേഗം പോയിട്ട് കേക്ക് കളക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. കേക്ക് 3 o'clock ആവുമെന്നാ പറഞ്ഞു. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ. കേക്ക് എത്തി. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് ബിന്ദി. അങ്ങനെ ഫുഡ് റെഡി. ബിരിയാണി, ചിക്കൻ ഫ്രൈ, ഇതെന്ത് ബിരിയാണി? മട്ടൻ ബിരിയാണി, പിന്നെ തൈര്.
6 hours later.
Yay, this is our final look. Yeah, how is it, Arhan? Huh? Do you like it? Huh? Wow, കാറല്ലേ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. അനക്ക് തരും ഒരു കാറ്. ഏത്? എന്നിട്ട് ടോർച്ച് കൊണ്ട് വെക്കുന്നേ വെറുതെ. നമുക്ക് തരും ഒരു കാറ്. എന്ത്? ആഹാ, ഓക്കേ. യാ. ഹോ, വീണ. ഇതാണ് നമ്മളെ ഫൈനൽ ഔട്ട്. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് താഴെ കമന്റിൽ പറയണേ. ഞാൻ കമന്റിൽ പറയാം. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Arushi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Aru! Good. Yummy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aruchi. Happy birthday to you. നമുക്കൊരു സ്ട്രോബെറി കിട്ടോ? ആ, താങ്ക് യു. ഇനി എല്ലാവരോടും പറ താങ്ക് യു എവ്രി വൺ. ഒച്ചത് പറ. ആ, ഓ താങ്ക് യു. ആഹാന്റെ ഫിംഗറിൽ അതാ തിന്നോ. ഗിഫ്റ്റ്. അതാ. വാട്ട് ഡു യു സേ?
Thank you. Okay.
Arhan, say thank you.
This is a big one.
Yeah, Mohan, Vayan the big one.
Oh, Braun Strowman.
Arhan?
Oh, it's a bike. Harley. Manu's bike.
Mallu Traveler's bike. Next. Which car is it?
Sponsored by Satvika.
Arjanda Kara.
Ella.
Orpa?
Garbage truck.
ഓനെപ്പോ യൂട്യൂബില് സെർച്ച് ചെയ്ത് കാണുകയാണ് ഈ ട്രക്ക്, ഗാർബേജ് ട്രക്ക്.
അത് കൺട്രോളറിനെ കൊണ്ട് കൺട്രോൾ ആക്കാം.
അറുഷി അതാ ബിഗ് വൺ.
ഇനി റയാൻ ബയ്യാസ് ഗിഫ്റ്റ്. എടാ നിനക്ക് പൊന്തുന്നുണ്ടോ റയാൻ? അത്
ഓപ്പൺ ആക്കി റയാൻ.
അടിപൊളി. അർഹാൻ എല്ലാം കാറാ. അർഹാന്റെ ഫേവറേറ്റ് കാർസ്.
പിന്നെ നാളെ ഓഫീസിൽ പോകുമ്പോൾ തരുമോ? എന്നാ പിന്നെ ഡ്രോപ്പ് ചെയ്യോ?
അവന്റെ ഗിഫ്റ്റും കാർസ്, അവന്റെ വീട്ടിലുള്ളതും കാർസ്, ഇതാ അവന്റെ ബർത്ത്ഡേ തീമും കാർസ്, ഫുൾ ഓഫ് കാർസ്. നമ്മളെ കാറ് ഭ്രാന്തൻ. കാറ് ഭ്രാന്തൻ, വണ്ടി ഭ്രാന്തൻ. You like cars? Huh? Are you happy? What do you say?
Thank you.
Amazing. അത് മമ്മ വായിച്ചത് ഗ്രീൻ ഗാർബേജ് ട്രക്ക്.
ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട ഇതാണോ ഇതിന്റെ ആണോ അല്ല പയ്യന്റെ ആണോ? ഏതാ?
Thank you, everyone.
ഓ ഐ ലവ് യു എന്ന് പറ. ഫ്ലൈങ് കിസ് കൊടുക്ക്. അല്ല ബിഗ് വൺ, ബിഗ് ഫ്ലൈങ് കിസ്. Okay, so that's the end of our vlog. So see you guys next time. Bye bye. കേക്ക് ഇല്ല? കേക്ക് ഇല്ലാത്ത ബർത്ത്ഡേ ആ? കാറാ കേക്ക്? കേക്ക് ഇല്ലാത്ത ബർത്ത്ഡേ ആരാ? ഇതെന്താ ആക്കുന്നത്? ഇതെന്തിന് ടോർച്ച് അടിച്ചിട്ട്? അർഹാൻ ഗോസ്റ്റ് പോലെ ഉണ്ട്. How old are you, Arhan? 2 അല്ലടാ. എത്ര നേരം നീ 2 പറയുന്നത്? I am 3 എന്ന് പറ. the 3, the number 3. Yay, Arhan is number 3.
Where is baby? Where is baby? Where is baby? Where is baby?
The next morning.
I have a surprise for you. Sam uncle gave you a surprise. You wanna see? Ta-da! Say thank you, Sam uncle. Say thank you, Sam uncle. I love you, Nora. That's a gift. I don't know. Car? Let's open. See.
Look.
What is it? Ida noku. Ta-da!
This car?
Yeah.
3 hours later.
One more gift ഉണ്ട്. ആരാ വന്നിനി?
Sambai.
അല്ല സാംബായി. സനദീദി.
Sanadidi.
എന്താന്ന് കാണണ?
Yeah, Sanadidi.
What do you say? സനദീദി ഒച്ചത് പറ.
Say thank you, Sanadidi.
സോഹ ദീദിയും കൂടി.
Sanadidi, thank you.
ഷാന ദീദി.
Thank you. Hey.
എന്താ
This. Jeep.
Huh?
Jeep.
Pickup truck. Are you happy?
Indi yellow indi.
Are you happy? God bless you. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Yeah.
Indi.
ആരെ ഗിഫ്റ്റ് തന്നെ?
Arina Salina Didi.
Say thank you, Arina Didi, Salina Didi.
Thank you, Arina Salina Didi.